Okay, so I'm going to put a full screen mode. So I downloaded this one zip file, extracted, right click extract. Okay. So I extracted it. So I got this one, disk one, setup.exe. Just double click. Okay, you can see the user control kind of stuff. Click yes, yes only always. It is trying to extract it. It's a very old 11G Express edition. For basic users, people who are basic users, 11G Express editions are easy to install and set up. If you are advanced user, like already you know the Oracle good and all DBA kind of stuff, okay, so you can do with other things. Okay, the setup is started. Next, accept the license. These things you already know. Where do you want to put it? So leave like that only. So it required almost 600 MB required, and see we have it. We have a more space. It is going to be in a destination folder Oracle exe. Okay, if you got any issues, you can delete this Oracle one. So it is not installed properly, so you can't able to uninstall it. Okay, it's not installed properly, you can't uninstall it also. Then what you do, go to the C drive, delete this folder. That's a very simple thing. But if you can able to uninstall it, I can uninstall it. It is asking a password for sys and system. So I'm giving a password is admin 123 only. Admin 123. Just I given password admin 123. Okay, these are the destination folders. This is where Oracle home is going to sit. See this one. So otherwise you can copy this one. Just copy all these things. Okay, put it in a notepad. So I'm going to create a notepad. O11G. Anything, no problem. Just I took those details because we should know where is the home and listener port number, and this is the port number. Now it is, see, Oracle port number is also 8080. Then it is a give you a column because our Jenkins is also 8080. So I will change the port for a Jenkins. Okay, the locations are important, port numbers also important. So save it, and also I given a password that is admin 123 only, right? So for sys and system. Okay, so I given a password. So next time we log in, so we need that password and all kind of stuff, right? Okay, it's going on. Install. Anybody knows what is install shield? Anybody knows what is this install shield? Any idea? While you are installing some applications, it will show sometimes install shield or a Wise Studio. What is this install shield? You know, when you do TikTok kind of stuff, like a TikTok or any that kind of things. Okay, when you upload a video, there is a watermarking is there, no? So watermarking like TikTok watermarking is there. So people who are download from TikTok and post into some other site, then obviously will understand it is downloaded from TikTok. Why? Because it's a watermarking is there. If you pay for a TikTok, like no, don't put a watermark, then they don't put a watermark on your videos also. Like you have a video editor software, so when you after editing the video, so video editors company name will be there, that is on a watermarking like on video. Similarly, install shield is an application which is used to package the software, which is used to package and repackage the software. Okay, I learned that one. So how to work with install shield and Vice package studio for repackaging. I learned that course. It's a very beautiful course. It's getting installed. So what is install shield? It is a software for packaging and repackaging the softwares. So while you got a package, right? This is .exe, okay, or files. This is not required now. So close if anything is unnecessary. Okay, so far I'm using a Oracle that is showing a port number is 8080. So for my Jenkins, I will use 9090. Still, anybody having a doubts or issues with Jenkins, I will show you again. Otherwise, tomorrow I will show you instead of today. Okay. How many of you don't know about SQL? Completely, never touch SQL before. Some of you know, I think, because CSC and IT background people knows MySQL at least. Oracle SQL and MySQL so commonly knows. Is anybody not at all don't know about anything about SQL?
Yes, I'm not familiar with it.
Good. Then you need a practice more, and it is very easy thing. Just I am only one person trying for so many years to completely do the Oracle thing. So when I install, configure everything perfectly configure, and I leave it after that one. Last time I got a chance like a free time. Finally I set up it. I try to practice few things like updating the table, altering the table. Of course, select command only basic thing only, not that where clauses and all. Guys, where clauses and all those clauses are very important. Yeah, it's done. Finish. Now it is completed. Okay, so minimize all the things or close all the things. So you can see a shortcut and get started with the Oracle database 11G Express Edition. Just double click open. It is showing an error now. Windows cannot find effects. Make sure type a name correctly and then try again. Okay, so 1 second try.
So I was getting the same error yesterday.
Yeah, okay. One of the person last time also they got this problem. I find a solution, but I forget that solution. This is get it started and open. This is app Oracle product 11G server bin. Okay, so there can be direct option will be there, SQL plus or something.
Sir, it is from properties.
Okay, yeah, here it is. Shortcut is there here, right? Go to shortcut and properties also, you know. Okay, it is showing like this or URL. Go to general and it is not linked to anyone. It is not linked to anyone. Possible. Forget actually last time I made a solution. Actually, you can type directly CMD. Try my okay. SQL plus okay. So slash as DBA. It's also not recognizing. Mm, Go to services. Last time I fixed this issue. It's a common issue. Why it is showing like this? It should show run as admin type. Go to Oracle. Listener is running. Agent service is running. So only these things. Just restart the service. Last time I had that. Last time I fixed it. Stock overflow. Just restart the services. I done that one. Mm, Try again. Navalan. Go to environmental variables. So when you got this kind of issues, usually sign out, sign in, this kind of stuff. Just try. I opened it where it is. I opened environmental variables, right? In the environmental variables, you can't see Oracle home directory, right? Oracle home directory is not there. So I will try to create a home directory. Oracle underscore home. Oracle underscore home. So you can browse the directory or you can directly check it from here. Okay, so where C drive, this that path I showed, no, so that path on the product server. That's it. The bin thing you have to add it later. This is home directory only. Slash bin you have to add it to other place. Okay. In execution path, this is a path for execution. You have to add the bin. This bin. That's it. Because all the commands in bin folder file only. Just like a Linux type only. bin. So I created Oracle home up to server and path I added with bin. Okay. Again I'm trying. Okay. Right click properties. Okay. Get started URL is a link. Again I have to go to that one. That is internet shortcut. I give full access. Maybe security permissions. This is shortcut. This is general. It is giving me okay. So where is the shortcut? Control V. Get underscore URL. So go to that one. This one. Right click properties. I change it to yes. Then what will happen? No, it is not working. That is also done. What is happening here? Okay, it is open here directly from get URL part. It should open from there only. Okay, that's only document, but how to log in? Asking for login. It is not typing. Okay. Then how come it will be?
So we can go to Application Express and create there.
So yes, system. Password is admin 123. I don't understand how it is working. Okay, create a new account. So if you want to create an account here, you can create it. So I'm creating an account is Latif. Any name, user 1, user 2, anything you can create. Uh, Latif. Password is also Latif. Latif. Create a workspace. Hmm. So you want to log in, then you can click login. Yes. Password is also Latif. This is application builder, SQL workshop, team development and administration. So these are all other SQL commands, objects. So you can start. Select start from tab, run, nothing, no tables and all. That's not necessary. So like you have to administrate, then you can go to this one. Actually, it is start working. Still, I don't know why it is working. Actually, yeah, this is should be work. SQL plus. Yeah, it is now. It is working. So now exit. First CLS, right? Here SQL. We don't require that one. So you need SQL plus to work slash as DBA. SQL plus slash as DBA is correct only. Why it is showing? You don't require all these things. It's about question. Okay, I'll put a system. Password is admin123. I log in. So you can create a user. Create user. Username is user1. Identified by user1 is password. Yeah, user is created. I remember the commands. Like creating user, but you have to grant permissions also. Grant forget that one now. So you have to give the permissions to create a table. Okay, create a table, read the table, manipulate the table, things like. Okay, so that you have to give permissions. Actually, I forget that SQL commands. Usually, I don't teach now, so I don't mind about it also. It's a very old one. Okay, so this is how you can install and do it. Try. If you got any problem, you can check it. Also, will support you. This is it. Yeah, the granting command I forget. My this is grant. Yeah, this is you have to do. No, not this one. I have to start another PC. Then I can never do it. Grant all PV wages to user one. Yeah, granted. Granted. Exit. Grant all privileges. I given all privileges to user one. Okay. Now SQL plus user one slash user one. Why it is login? So username is user one. Password is also user one, as I remember. Now user one is login successful. Now select start from tab. No rows selected because nothing is there. Okay, so in our WhatsApp or desktop, I think so. There is a EMP file is there. Okay, I already downloaded this EMP file. Now I am copying into my virtual machine. Why it is happen? You can copy. What happened today afternoon? Why I copy? This is always give this kind of issues. Permissions, users. I copied so many things from there to here. These are all I copied only. Yeah, now it is working. See, that symbol is important. Now I copied successful. Okay, then open it. Just follow it. Like you can copy all and paste it directly, or you can copy one by one also. If you copy one by one, you will learn good. Okay. So it is a MPA file. Then I'm copying one by one. Table is created. So check issues are there or not like that. Okay, I'm copying. I done department department table. Now I am copying EMP1 EMP. So table is created. Now insert into. So I'm inserting data. So inserting data usually no problem. Inserting data for department. So I inserted data department. Okay. So one row created, one row created, like that it came now. So copy certain section of things is easy. Okay. If you copy more, then you may get column also. So it is blocking my view. Okay, this is all EMP related one. Okay, that is department. I done department up to Boston, right? These are all in EMP. you have to see the output also. Why? Because sometimes there is a mistake, so it may not work also. And finally enter. One row selected, complete. One row created. Okay. Then go to another table is bonus and salary grade. So another table is created. Is doing this from so many days now, so he knows what to do before we start. Okay. I never teach SQL to anyone. That's why I don't touch this subject. Okay. So this is completed. Okay. So if you want to see what are the tables are there, select star from tab, because yeah, these are the tables. You want to see one by one table, describe DEPT, so department table, describe EMP. So these are the descriptions. You can change the font sizes and also, okay, like that. Or you can go to select star from EMP. This is a table. Okay. So like you can see EMP number, comma salary. Only that one only you'll get. So your things means based on the window size and all, we go to 100%. So then see, it is going somewhat right. So you can change it also. You can change it. So just search for it. If you know, then okay. Otherwise, there is a command. How many rows and all there. So the scaling is there. So you have to scale it. You can. If you are okay, so then I will exit. So our part is completed. So I done EMP file also. I showed that one how to do it. You have to do that one, guys. If in case like you are practicing very seriously, not one command, you are doing so much of thing. You can use SQL Developer also. Okay, just that is just download SQL Developer from Oracle site, and it's a free. Like you don't need to. You do. I think you don't require a Oracle ID also for this one. You can download easily. Just download it, extract it, double click on that one. You need a Java background, so compulsory some Java is required. Any Java, like Java 8 is already there, means you can do it. So it will give you a good interface for practicing purpose. Remote connection, like so this is in virtual machine, and you want to access from outside also, you can do it. Just we need a virtual machine IP address, and there is a port number called listener port number. This port number should be enabled. Okay. So this is it about your Oracle thing. Try. If you got any issues, please tell me. We'll try to fix it. Okay.